Good morning, students. I am Rajendra sir. Today is our next online class of class 9 Information Technology. Dear students, our lecture numbers 13 in unit 1 session 2. In session 2 our topic 8. Today I am going to learn about storage device. Dear students, you already know storage device is important part of our computer system where we can store our information for future use. So more popular storage device in our computer system is hard disk. Our topics storage device. So I hope you are well understand our topics, our thoughts. So listen carefully and see our videos. Our topic storage device today. Storage device are used to store information until it is deleted or overwritten by the users. स्टोरेज डिवाइस हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम का ऐसा प्लेस है जहां यूजर के द्वारा जब तक कि डिलीट नहीं किया जाता है तब तक वह इंफॉर्मेशन हमारा कंप्यूटर स्टोर करके रखता है ताकि उसका यूजर्स भविष्य में पुनः इस्तेमाल कर सके। इसलिए स्टोरेज डिवाइस हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम का बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट डिवाइस है। The commonly used storage device are first hard disk. Dear students, it is the most common storage device for storing a large amount of data. It is also called HD or HDD. HD or HDD is the you call name of our hard disk HD or HDD. HDD stands for hard disk drive or Winchester disk is also name our hard disk Winchester disk. It was introduced in 1954 by an IBM company team led by Ray Johansson. Hard disk is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. Each platters has the same number of tracks to store data. A track location that cut across at platters is called a cylinder. It is a working style of our hard disk. So hard disk is important device in our computer system. It store our information for future use. This hard disk is fixed device in our PC. It has the following properties. Our hard disk coated with magnetic materials. It has a large storage capacity. It can store up to 8 TB of data. TB means, dear student, terabytes. Okay. Now the disk rotates at a very high speed varying from 5400 to 15,000 RPM. RPM means rotation per minute. So our students, I hope you are well understands how can work our hard disk. Dear students, our hard disk is made up of collection of disks known as plates. Each plate require 2 read-write head, once for each side. All the read-write heads are attached to a single axis arm to that they do not move independently. Okay dears, do not move independently. Each plate has the same number of track to store data. Okay dears, now our next topics CD-ROM. CD-ROM. It stands for compact disk read only memory. Read only means you cannot change the pre-recorded information stored on the disk. It is a type of optical disk capable of storing a large amount of data, information, software, etc. The storage capacity of varies from 650 MB to 900 MB. Dear students, our CD-ROM is very important device in our computer system. The storage capacity varies from 650 MB to 900 MB. It is made up of reflexive metal coating, usually the aluminum, and enclosed between two protective polycarbonate layers in the top layer. Labels and descriptions of disk contents are printed. The bottom layer read data. This bottom layer comprises of millions of tiny depressions and the flat surface called pits and lands respectively. To read data from CD-ROM, high power less beam is required. The speed of CD-ROM drive is called data transfer rate and is measured is kilobyte per second. Kilobyte per second, that means kbps. CD come into two sizes. The standard CD with 120 mm diameter and mini CD with 80 mm diameters. Okay dears, now there are two types of CD-ROMs. First, CDR, compact disc recordables. These discs can record data only once but can read data over and over again. यानी CD-ROM दैट मीन्स कंपैक्ट डिस्क रीडेबल रिकॉर्डेबल्स, यानी उसमें जब जब चाहेंगे तो हम डाटा को चेंज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2, CDRW. It stands for compact disk rewritables. It allows us to erase the previously recorded data. इसमें जो पहले से डाटा रिकॉर्ड है उसको भी मैं डिलीट कर सकता हूँ. We can write new data on a CDRW disk multiple times. Our next storage device, DVD. DVD is more powerful than CD. It stands for Digital Versatile Disk. DVD has become a very popular data storage device. DVD discs are optical discs with the large storage capacity as compared to CD. DVD can store high quality video, audio and other kinds of digital information. A DVD can store 6 times more data than CD. A DVD can hold 4.7 GB to 17 GB of data. DVD is also available in many versions. These are DVD-R, DVD-RW, DVD-R and DVD-RW. DVD-R, we can record data only once. DVD-RW, we can erase and record data many times. DVD-R and DVD-RW have two additional formats which are editing and which are not editing. For example, DVD-R and readables and RW, that means readwritables. Okay dears, thank you. Have a nice day.